and due to the closely or tightly packing of the particles at the time of plowing, we need to use more powerful machineries, more powerful tractors. It is hard to plow also this type of soil, clay soil, but it is having a good water retaining property. Next is the loamy soil. Loamy soil, if we talk about, in the loamy soil, you can say that it is the mixture of both sandy soil and clay soil. And loamy soil is best for the cultivation of the plants or crops. Why? Because it is having the particles of sandy soil also and clay soil also. So it means that this type of soil is well aerated, as well as this type of soil is having a good water retaining property. The sandy soil particles are bigger in size and the clay soil particles are smaller in size. Clay soil is tightly packed, sandy soil is loosely packed. Sandy soil is well aerated, clay soil is not well aerated. So, but the loamy soil, it is having the property of both type of soil. It is formed by the mixture of sandy soil and clay soil. So, loamy soil, with this, loamy soil is also having the another particles known as silt. Silt, which is present at the bottom of the, or you can say at the substratum of the water bodies like rivers. When these particles size, the size of the silt particles is smaller than the sandy soil and larger than the clay soil. So those particles whose size is smaller than sandy soil and larger than the clay soil are known as the silt. So silt is also present in the case of the loamy soil. So these are three types of soil, and sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. According to the nature of the soil particles, I had already explained you. Another process, that is irrigation to the crops, is done. In the sandy soil, it requires frequent irrigation, as well as it also requires the application of the, you can say, manure, so that a humus layer is formed, due to which water retaining property of the sandy soil increases. And in the case of the clay soil, its particles are very tightly packed and very fine. So in the case of clay soil, we also needs to apply the manure or cow dung manure, we can say, because it increases the water retaining property, because it forms a layer of humus over the soil. What is humus layer? Humus